doing good. Yeah, I haven't uploaded a video in a while because I haven't actually gotten any new packages. So, yeah, I've been kind of slowly working on my Evershine. I think that's the one I'm working on. And you know, I'm just kind of like not motivated to do it. So, I don't know. I've never done that before, but I'm kind of thinking about starting a second one. Like, I usually only work on one diamond painting at a time, but like, this is the first time that I've actually thought about like actually putting this one into hibernation and starting another one, just because I'm like, I don't know, no desire to finish it. And nothing wrong with it, just not enjoying it. But anyway, so I finally got another package. So this one here, I actually ordered from, I don't even know, I ordered these ones from my mom from a smaller company, and they just kept saying, you know, waiting to be shipped, and then the next update was like something about, you know, sent to warehouse somewhere, and then it just sat. So anyway, I actually canceled the order. They refunded my money, and I just ordered them through Homfun, which is a company that I know is they're gonna come. So these ones are from Homfun store. My mom really likes the rounds. They're not my favorite, but that's what she likes, so that's what I ordered her. She's been doing this like fat lady collection thing. So anyway, this is number 10 and or 11 and 12 for her. So whatever, she's enjoying it, keeps her busy, right? So anyway, I just asked her if I could open them on my channel. She said definitely go ahead. So anyway, they are the 30 by 40s, and Homefun always sends those sizes in these bubble mailers, but I've never had a problem with them being squished or anything. Like, they always seem to be open quite, you know, packed well. So this one, you know, took about 3.5 weeks to come, which is kind of standard lately. I find that things have been coming a little bit faster, but still slow. But well, you know, it is what it is. It's kind of out of their control. So anyway, we've got 2 in here. Get this all out. See, it's nicely packaged. They're all in one foam roller, it looks like. Yeah, so there we go. We've got our canvases. Oh, they're a little squished, but nothing major. They're on a thicker foam roller this time. Usually Homefun sells them on a smaller roller, but that's okay. We've got 2 toolkits, kind of the standard pink with a 3-placer and wax and the thin tweezers. That's good. My mom likes those boats, so she's happy with those. We have 2 sets of drills here. Again, I'm not going to get into the drills too much just because these are hers, right? But we'll take a peek at them. So there's the first one that I ordered for her, this lady with her necklaces and stuff on her bed, I think. Just kind of a black and white. I like the colors on this one because that pink dress really pops. It's really nice. So these are kind of common pictures, I think. My mom saw this one and she really liked that, so I ordered that one for her. Yeah, anyway. Jade, kitty in the way. All right, so here's our canvases. Again, oh, I got a little fuzz here. My son had his headphones out. I think the kitties had fun with them. So anyway, these little elastics here, we'll get rid of these quick. I always, like I said, I get rid of them quickly because I don't want any kitty cat accidents here. My cats like to put things in their mouths, so I just get rid of those. All right, so let's take a peek. So it looks like they're both on the foam roller. Oh, these ones are like rolled together. Sometimes I've had like one rolled and then the other one rolled on top, but these were like put face to face and rolled together. So that's different. I've never seen them do it that way. I actually like that better because the last time they had like 2 sets of elastics and the bottom one kind of got crunched, you know. It was hard to get it flat. So this is nice. This is much better here. So yeah, I'll see if I can get them straight here. This is gonna be tricky. I'm gonna see if I can do this like holding on to them here. So let's just take a peek here. We're gonna open these up and I'm just gonna get the canvases to lay flat first of all. So let's start with that. Let's get these. You know, I think part of my thing, I know some people don't like this rounds because of the, like what they call the training wheels or the guide circles or what have you. I'm going to be able to do one at a time. I don't like them. I find them extremely hard to read because they're so dark. Like, in my opinion, the squares, the canvases don't have as much printing on them, you know, like the circles just seem so much more difficult to read to me. So I've never been drawn to the round square ones because they just look so, like the printing on the canvas just looks so busy to me, I guess, you know. Oh, I'm backwards on this one. Hang on. Opening it from the top. So I don't know. I guess that's kind of, for me, it's kind of a no-go because of the like how dark the canvas is, right? Like when you get up close, they are like they're good quality. They're nice and clear, but just to me, there's so much printing on them. They just look so busy compared to a square canvas. Yeah, I don't know. Like she likes them, but not my thing. But those are nice. They're nice and clear. As clear as they're gonna get, I guess. There we go. Let's take a peek at the inventory list. I do love the Homfun symbols. I love how simple they are. I really like that. Like I said, I have some troubles with my vision, so the simple symbols without like crazy symbols in there and just letters and numbers is much easier for me. My cat is playing with my tablecloth in the background. So yeah, so that one did come with an inventory sheet. I'm going to take that out so we can take a quick peek at it. Ah, darn cat. I'm working on a puzzle on my table and he is helping himself. I have a bit of a mess to clean up when I'm done here, I guess. All right, let's take a peek at this inventory sheet. So there again is our image. That's kind of cute. I prefer this one. This was my favorite of the two we ordered. We have 36 colors, which is pretty good for 30 by 40. Again, the symbols are nice and clear. The W is a little bit dark, but I have noticed, I find this funny, even though it is a round, their key is still squares. So they don't really match up, but I guess it's enough that you can tell what you're doing. So anyway, there's the key, there's that. I'm just gonna put this all back together. We'll look at the drills in the next one. It is my mom's, so like I don't wanna manhandle her paintings too much here. She wouldn't like that very much. Put those back in. I'm gonna fold it all up for her so that she is unaware that I opened that. Let's take a look at the other one. Let's find that little thumbnail on here so I can show it to you guys. There she is. Nice clear thumbnail. And again, this one here is gonna stick. It kind of, the tape is lifting up. Got it down. Let's just pop that back down just so we can get this to lay flat. So fall is coming here. We live in Canada, and I love fall. I love all of the colors, and I love the cooler breezes and, you know, the cool nights. It honestly is my favorite time of year, but can definitely tell the snow is coming. Our temperatures here can easily dip down to -40 and makes for a really long winter. So, you know, kind of just enjoying this last little bit of summer. And yeah, so I've been outside doing yard work and stuff. Maybe that's why I haven't been diamond painting that much. There we go. There's the next one. It looks really nice. Just gonna lift up the bottom here and we'll take a peek at the symbols down there. These are just on one, there's just one piece of adhesive here. Usually with these ones I've had two. That's okay. They're nice. The glue is really nice on these, you guys. Like very clear. There's no bubbles in it at all. Lifted up really nice. There is the symbols, and like I said, I find that so busy. But you know, like I'm not the one doing them, so I'll order what she wants. Anyway, inventory sheet again there. And this one looks like it has, let's take it out. These bags are really, really sticky. Okay. So there we go. That one only has 33 colors, but again, symbols are nice and clear. And they're in the squares again. Like, that's kind of weird. I never noticed that. And there's our thumbnail. Let's take a peek at the drills. So they're kind of packaged in a typical Homefun way. They're just kind of all flopped into a bag. Drills look good. My mom has said that she runs out of drills a lot. I don't know about that. Like, I never run out of drills. I think, like, this one here that I'm working on is the first one that I've ran out of drills on. Like, I might run out, like, be 10 short or something, but never, like, really short. But, like, she seems to run short a lot, which I find kind of weird, but I don't know. Do you guys find that you've run short with Homefun drills, or, like, if I just had good luck with them? Let me know what you think. If you've what your experiences are with the number of Homefun drills, because my mom and I seem to have like different opinions on that. So anyway, guys, there is my next order. I have one more coming. I've got another one from Homefun official store. I'm excited for that. It should be here tomorrow or the next day, so I'll get that one up to you as soon as I can. And yeah, so anyway, here is the one that I ordered from my mom. Hope you guys enjoyed that box opening, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.